In a first transit since Nancy Pelosi's visit through the Taiwan Strait, 2 US Navy ships sailed through the strait on Sunday. This is the first such transit reported since US House Speaker Nancy Pelosi visited Taiwan earlier in August, at a time when tensions have kept the waterway particularly busy. According to the statement released by the US 7th Fleet, the cruisers transited through a corridor in the strait that is beyond the territorial sea of any coastal state. China conducted many military exercises in the strait as it sought to punish Taiwan after Pelosi visited the self-ruled island against Beijing's threat. China has sent many warships sailing in the Taiwan Strait and waters surrounding Taiwan since Pelosi's visit, as well as sending warplanes and firing long-range missiles. It views the island as part of its national territory and opposes any visits by foreign governments as recognizing Taiwan as its own state. These ships transiting through a corridor in the strait that is beyond the territorial sea of any coastal state. The ship's transit through the Taiwan Strait demonstrates the United States' commitment to a free and open Indo-Pacific. The United States military flies, sails, and operates anywhere international law allows. John Kirby, a spokesperson for the National Security Council, said in a statement. Senior Colonel Shi Yi, spokesperson for the People Liberation Army's Eastern Theater Command, said that it was monitoring the two ships, maintaining a high alert, and was ready to thwart any provocation. Beijing claims sovereignty over Taiwan despite China's ruling Communist Party never having controlled the island and considers the strait part of its internal waters. The US Navy, however, says most of the strait is in international waters. The US regularly sends its ship through the Taiwan Strait as part of what it calls freedom of navigation maneuvers. The 160-kilometer wide strait divides Taiwan from China.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.